Good evening friends, this is Pradeep from Trading Clan. Happy to see you all in this video. In this video we are going to see the short term picks. So before going to do the analysis, if you are not subscribe our channel, please do subscribe and please click the bell icon for further notification. Please do likes also. So today we are going to see the company name called Pidilite Industries. So this company is doing good, so we will have a look on the company analysis. Let me go to the Pidilite Industries in our trading view window. So let us type Pidilite Industries and we can have a closer look on the company. So currently the Pidilite Industries is trading at 2300 something. So here I am going to mark the some of the analysis for this company where it can go. So I feel this company will go further up higher, because the reason we will going to see one by one. So I am expecting this company will go in upside in the upcoming days. This is a very good company, so I feel this company will move in upside. So what are the reasons behind that? We will have a look one by one. So right now I am going to mark the line which indicates the previous high of this company. So look at this area, look at the arrow marked area. So here already the company reached one top high. It's around 2000. I'm not very much clear about this height. So you can note down in your channel, you can have a look here. It is a previous high point. So please note this area, it is a very important area for this company. So the previous high is very important. So right now look at this area. So here we could see the company breaks the previous height. So that means there is a very good buying pressure came in the company. So it can easily reach still some more heights. So it's a breakout. We can consider this is a breakout point. So I feel this company breaks the previous high level, and it can go further upside, I feel. So this is one of the important thing we need to note down this company. There is a lot of probabilities are there to reach the further height. I feel this company will go in the upside. So not only this reason, some other reasons also is there. We will go through one by one. First is previous high breakout. That is one important thing, and we will see. Look at the current area. We can see. I see the very good buying pressure in the market. Look at this encircled area. See here, you can see very good buyer came into the market, and look at the second circled area. I feel again it's a continuous buyers came into the market. So this is very important thing for the company, easily can pull to some extent. So definitely the company will go in upside. So we can see the power range candles after the company settled down after reach the previous height, and it's went some bounce back in the downside slightly, and we could see very good power candle here. So this is very important area. So definitely the buyers pressure came into the market in this particular company, Pidilite Industries. So after that we can see the continuous candles also, continuous buy candles also. So these two reasons is major reasons for this company can easily reach 100 to 150 points very easily. So I am expecting this company will go in upside. So this is a continuous buying candle in the second circled area. We can see lot of small candles in the beginning, and after which we can see in the breakout area time we could see some power range candles also, two power range candles also we can see here. So the company easily it will touch 2420. So we will going to mark that targets points. So for these targets within max it will reach within 1 month max, that is max. Maybe within 1 or 2 weeks also it can possible to reach this height. So I'm going to mark this in green color, so that is our target line. So we are going to mark this is in green, and we will increase the thickness also. So I feel this target is 2420. So definitely the market can reach this target very easily. So next we need to mark the stop loss line as well as the entry point. So this blue color line, okay, we will make our stop loss line first. So this area slightly we can take it down, so we can keep the stop loss behind the two power range candles. So whenever the market moves upside, so we will have having good opportunities. So this one we can make it as a our stop loss line, and the levels also we will mark it. The stop loss levels we can mark it. So this 2280 we can consider it is a very good stop loss for this company. So this is because of previous side, so maybe it will get retraced in this area, and it can go in upside. That is possibilities are there. 2280 we can keep a stop loss point for this company. So I'm expecting the company definitely it will move in upside. So the entry point is at the current point itself, we can take it off. It's a very good entry point here. Maybe tomorrow or within a week also it can possible to reach our targets. There is a high probability is there. This company is keep on going upside, so definitely it will hit our targets within 1 week max. Or I'm giving very elaborate timeline for this company, but I have given 1 month time frame, but within 1 or 2 weeks definitely it can hit our targets. So entry point we can make it as in the current level itself. I'm going to mark that entry point here. So yesterday's closing price is our entry point. Maybe it's closed around 2306 rupees, so 2305 rupees we can make it our entry point. This is a very good entry point for this company. So we can have 100 points to 120 points easily we can get it from this company, maybe in upcoming 1 or 2 weeks max. So here 2420 is our target points. This is just a short term pick, maybe for 1 month max I'm going to write here, but the things will happen within 1 or 2 weeks itself because of the buying pressure in the company. So easily it can hit our targets within 1 or 2 weeks max. But for there may be some retracement, I'm considering those things, and I'm placing the time frame for 1 month for this company. 1 month target. So it is around 100 to 120 points is possible. It's a very good points for a very short term period. So definitely the market will go and hit our targets. So here this is our expectation. The Pidilite Industries will go in the upside only, and it will hit our targets lines maybe 2420 within 2 weeks. Okay, this is my expectation for this company. Please have a look on the company and do your analysis and do the checkings of your maybe fundamental data also, and you can check the company will going or not. Our methodology is very simple. Price action technique we are using, and understand the breakouts for particularly for this company, and we are seeing the very good buying pressure candles, and the trend is also very important. Right now it is an uptrend, so there is a very less risk for coming down easily. This method is easily adapted to anyone. So if you want this kind of support, so you can call to this number. We will be having trading support for this intraday and as well as options market. You can use it off. Thank you for watching the video. If you feel these videos are very useful, please do like, share and subscribe. Please don't forget to click the bell icon for further notification. Thank you and grow with us. Bye bye.